How to make a Heena paste. For that we need a plastic spoon, lemon juice, and tea, water. For that we need a plastic spoon, lemon juice, and tea, water out. And how to make it, like you need for that water or cloves. You need to boil that for a while, and after that cool down and strain it. And this lemon water also I strain it already. And this Heena powder I strain it or shifted 3 times. And now we are going to add a little by little lemon juice. It's around 1 teaspoon. I'm going to add this lemon juice, so that makes it. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of the water, tea water. And mix it well. Now you can see it's thickened. Now you can see I can make easily the strings. Then this paste is ready for the making the cone.